It was on my business trip to Korea with a friend. He said in Vietnam, plastic was almost 100% imported. At that time, I thought it would be a good opportunity if I could produce plastic. That was when the idea of EuP was born. On the 28th of September 2007, European Plastic Joint Stock Company was officially founded. In 2008, EuP inaugurated its first factory in Dongvan Industrial Zone, Zuitian District, formerly known as Zuitian Town, Hanam Province, with a capacity of about 700 tons per month. Like all startups, European Plastic Company in the early days faced many difficulties. When filler masterbatch was first introduced, it was a new product. Customers hesitated to buy it. It took us a very long time to prove our product's quality. At that time, filler masterbatch, or calcium carbonate filler, was completely new to Vietnam's plastic materials market. Therefore, the biggest challenge for EuP was how to bring filler masterbatch closer to customers. Helping customers to acknowledge filler masterbatch and to understand its applications in plastic production was not an easy task. Convincing them to trust, to buy, and to become loyal customers was even harder. When customers didn't know us, it was always challenging to convince them to trust and give you an opportunity for product testing. At that time, EuP was an unfamiliar brand name among several giants in the plastic industry, which made me feel a little bit nervous. It was challenging. However, nothing can stop EuP's spirit. Thanks to steadfast and diligent efforts, European Plastic Company has gradually gained customers' trust and impressed them with good product quality, competitive prices, and modern production lines, which are capable of meeting bulk orders on a daily basis. Each production stage is strictly controlled in accordance with ISO standards and the EU REACH system, thus ensuring products can meet end products' features and technical requirements. A dynamic and experienced staff is ready to support and advise customers the best material solutions. Together, they have created a lasting image of an EuP which provides customers with optimal plastic material solutions to save costs and improve competitiveness in the market. Significantly, its first attendance at K-Fair 2010, the world's largest plastic fair held every 3 years in Germany, paved the way for EuP's brand name to reach global customers. This was a valuable opportunity for EuP to approach thousands of customers all over the world, introduce outstanding products, as well as gain experiences from other big corporations in the market. After K-Fair, ChinaPlas, Asia's largest plastic fair, was the next lever to bring EuP closer to China, one of the world's most dynamic plastic materials markets. Participating in trade fairs gives EuP golden opportunities to reach thousands of customers worldwide, thereby enhancing its reputation and brand awareness in the international market. Positive feedback from customers has opened up several opportunities for EuP to connect with a large number of domestic and international customers. From a brand serving the domestic market, EuP has become one of the world's leading plastic materials exporters, operating in many big markets such as China, India, and the EU. Europlast filler masterbatch bags are now available in more than 85 countries and regions worldwide, making EuP become the world's largest filler masterbatch manufacturer. In terms of additives and masterbatch, I think we can be proud that EuP has become a well-known brand among several big corporations in the market. Furthermore, EuP also focuses on research and development to meet the increasing requirements of the market ensuring that the R&D department will become one of the key factors driving the development of enterprises. At EuP, R&D plays a vital role in our product's orientation and development, with two main tasks: conducting research to meet end products' technical standards and innovating them with more competitive prices. Through R&D activities, EuP provides customers with optimal plastic material solutions, thus meeting the technical requirements of end products at more competitive prices. After 15 years of development, EuP has traditional products such as filler masterbatch, color masterbatch, and additives. Currently, we are developing, manufacturing, and supplying engineering plastic compounds for many end-use markets, such as electricity, electronics, transportation, and construction. After 15 years, through many ups and downs, from a single factory, EuP has now expanded with 9 factories across Vietnam, which operate in diverse fields under the corporation model. Plastic materials. With a total of 6 factories, EuP supplies over 500,000 tons of masterbatch annually, including filler masterbatch, color masterbatch, additives, compound and bioplastic masterbatch, and exports to more than 85 countries and regions worldwide. Mining. Thanks to high-quality natural limestone, Yen Bai Industrial Mineral Joint Stock Company specializes in exploiting and producing calcium carbonate stone powder, the main component of filler masterbatch. YBM is proud of being one of the world's leading stone powder manufacturers, with an estimated annual volume of 600,000 tons. Construction materials. European Wood Plastic is a leading brand in Vietnam, specializing in manufacturing and exporting wood plastic composite for civil engineering and outdoor applications. Renewable energy. As one of the pioneers in solar energy research and exploitation, Europlast Energy Investment Joint Stock Company provides more than 150 million kilowatt-hours annually for the national power grid, thus contributing to the stability and sustainable development of people's lives. Not only expanding its scale in the domestic market, EuP is also reaching the world with its first factory in Egypt. The new factory has laid the foundation for EuP to deeply penetrate into the international market, thus becoming a global enterprise. After 15 years, EuP's position has significantly changed. However, even when we stand at the top, we are constantly looking for opportunities in the future. Because for each EuPer, there's one thing that never grows old. It is the desire to move forward, conquer, and develop. We will reach 1 billion in revenue. There will be several branches in many countries worldwide, with employees from different cultures. EuP will launch many factories on different continents to meet specific products' demands. I think there will be more factories, not only in Vietnam, but also all over the world. We may start business in a brand new field, such as information technology. 20 years is a very long time. I haven't got a clear picture of how EuP will develop. But one thing is for sure, the EuP brand will be well known to the whole world, and Vietnamese will be proud of EuP.